faculty, and welcome you all to this momentous event. Birthday everyone and Godspeed.
Magaw,
Ano na po yung style? Vlog-vlog ako.
vlog ni Roma
Thank
kwarta
you,
ta.
Ma'am Dora.
Bahatag
And
yung
now,
video.
ladies and gentlemen,
Nanay gihatag di mita sardinas.
pupils are waiting for the giving of awards, ribbons, medals, and certificates to the outstanding undergraduates, graduates, and completers, which is the kindergarten. May I request the parents to accompany their children on stage. The different awards will be announced by the respective advisors. We will start from the kindergarten.
Gawad.
Here are the
Morning.
kindergarten
Morning. Kap.
outstanding
Masumuntag niya.
completers.
Muni kinakuskan
Sabi ako yung kalagad mo.
kagawad. Muni kinakuskan kagawad guys diri sa Barangay Malbog.
Salamat.
Ayan mo kalimot pabutaran ni karong kwan ha. Umabot eleksyon sa barangay eleksyon.
Salamat.
Okay.
Shania Isabel G.
Masugod na og hatag o
Fair Star Award, Prudent Worker Award, Contributor Award, Team Player Award, Kinder Leader Award.
ang hatag ng award guys.
Mother.
Karon ang recognition sa Malbog Elementary School o moving up.
Another outstanding completer, Chanel Atalia D. Ashwal, Quantum Leap Award, Courageous Kid Award, Patience Advocate Award, Brave Soul Award, Miss Congeniality Award, Great Giver Award. Another outstanding completer, Chuck Peter J. Balaba, Naturalist Award, Petermin Kind Award, Enthusiastic Award, Cheerful Soul Award, Eager Beaver Award, Happy Helper Award. Another awards for the character traits. Basarte Saiden Nico E. Cadilinia, Igor Weber Award, Happy Helper Award, and Tenacious Striver Award. Mary Shikana A. Kakayan, Sparkler Award, Happy Helper Award. Nathaniel B. Dabalos, Brave Soul Award and Sparkler Award. Angeline O. Espino, Golden Heart Award, Courteous Kid Award. Calmen Owen C. Tagay, Happy Helper Award, Brave Soul Award, and Courteous Kid Award. Athletics, Courageous Kid Award, Tenacious Striver Award. Mesha Luis P. Sapio, Prudent Worker Award, Courageous Kid Award. Maria Nova L. Sahul, Peacemaker Award, Happy Helper Award. Solar will also receive a certificate of a scholarship from Central Visan Institute Foundation for having graduated from the elementary course as valedictorian. This certificate entitles her to 100% discount on tuition and other fees. Given this 28th day of March 2026. Signed, President Dr. Christopher C. Bernie. Okay, she will also be receiving the Governor's Excellence Award from LGU. And Rika May is also an attentive, behaved, and helpful learner. Honor award goes to first another with honor awardee. We have Glenn John C. Galvin. He will an honor pupil. And Glenn John is also awarded as Athlete of the Year and kind and helpful learner. Another with honor awardee, we have Micah Angel C. Paramo.
Video na siya. Ay na nagtandog ako, tira na. Si Trixie na. Video na siya nga, jadi ko siya nga. Nagtandog ako.
Okay, we have here a certificate of recognition awarded to Mary Andrea D. Cadelina as the Philippines. Okay, congratulations sa atong athlete. We can pag-yun siya sa Severa. So we are so very proud of her. And another is bronze medal in athletics 4x100 relay elementary girls during the 2026 Severa Meet.
Muna siya ang bronze sa 100 meter dash dito na gimo sa Severa dito sa Naga, Cebu. Si Andrea Cadelina. Na bronze niya ang nakuha.
Cool and Cheerful Award. Ilan? Kani among kinabtanan ni Isaiah. Ilan? Sige ato Center Doy. Mara ni, bisag mo ng pangatan nato, magkakatawa ta, tungod na isang expression nga ilat, katawa na sa lula. Ato Center Doy. And we have also another awardee as Athlete of the Year goes to, we have Meko J.C. Cadelinho as Helpful and Honest Learner. And Edrel M. Dagoplo as Helpful Awardee and Athlete of the Year. We have Christian A. Dagoplo, Athlete of the Year and Helpful and Courteous Awardee. We have King Daniel M. Hunasa, Athlete of the Year and Helpful and Thoughtful Learner. We have Donnery Ismoran, Athlete of the Year and Helpful Awardee. Janmar M. Ranieses, Athlete, Active and Helpful Awardee. John Jeff T. Pites, Athlete and Helpful Behave Learner. We have Althea Deb D. Alpiche, Respectful and Helpful Learner. We have Kay Precious Q. Acedo is being awarded as having a perfect attendance for the school year 25-2026. A sign, Ma'am Chedora and Ma'am Dalisan. We have another awardee as having a perfect attendance for the school year. We have Jorim B. Salva as Respectful and Helpful Learner. So once again, congratulations to all my graduates. Kita-kita tapuhon sa mga sunod katuigan. Okay, that's all for all my awardees for the grade 6.
Another certificate award as Sunshine Award, Contributor Award, Extra Miller Award, Brave Soul Award, Prudent Worker Award, and Little Teacher Award. Another certificate of excellence is given to Mabel D. Cadeli, Extra Miller Award. Another certificate of academic excellence is given to Kiana Kim R. De La Cruz. She also received an award and Sunshine Award. Another certificate of academic excellence is awarded to Bahi. She also received an award as Batang Maaasahan Award, Prudent Worker Award, Brave Soul Award, Honest Kid Award, Little Teacher Award, Contributor Award, and Sunshine Award. Another certificate of excellence is given to Christine Joy A. Sahonga. She also received an award as Batang Maaasahan Award, Prudent Worker Award, Sunshine Award, Contributor Award, Brave Soul Award, and Little Teacher Award. Another certificate of excellence is given to Juria Villaraza. She Another special award is given to Rysel Mia O. Blanes, Mil Viloria Service Award, and BCB Award. Athena Amara Grace Orias, BCB Award. Another award is given to Sam Daniel Espino. Lorraine is Another award is given to Blake Noah Dumapia. Award is given to Rodnil II D. Aswal as BCB Award and Service Award.
Kanya for her outstanding academic performance. Certificate of recognition is presented to